Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 14. The title of this chapter is the atmosphere, and the topic which has been selected for today's lecture is the composition of air. Dear students, before going into detail, we would like to have some introduction about the planet Earth on which we are living. The planet Earth is supposed to consist of four natural systems. Number 1, lithosphere. Number 2, hydrosphere. Third, atmosphere. And the fourth one is biosphere. As far as lithosphere is concerned, it consists of earth crust, the rocky area, the mountains which are present above the surface of Earth, and even 100 feet deep into the ground. Number 2, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere consists of water bodies, for example rivers, oceans, glaciers, ice caps. All these constitute the natural system hydrosphere. Third one is the atmosphere. Actually, that is a mixture of different gases on the surface of Earth in which we are living. This is called atmosphere. Fourth one is biosphere. It consists of all living things, plants, animals, whether they are living in the water bodies, in the deserts, in forests. All these constitute the biosphere. Composition of atmosphere. Atmosphere is actually the mixture of different gases like oxygen, nitrogen, argon, water vapors, etc. over the surface of Earth. This mixture of gases is generally known as air. When we move from the surface of Earth in the upward direction, we find that 99% of atmospheric mass lies within first 30 kilometers and 75% of atmospheric mass lies within lowest 11 kilometers. Composition of dry air. After dry air, it is not including water vapors because the percentage of water vapors will be different in different areas of the world, and also it will be different in the whole year. Therefore, we are focusing upon the composition of dry air. Dry air consists of four gases: nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide. As far as nitrogen is concerned, its composition by percentage by volume is 78.9%, oxygen 20.94%, argon 0.93%, whereas carbon dioxide, its percentage by volume is 0.03%. Parameters which undergo change with the change in altitude. When we move upwards from the surface of Earth, two parameters have been noticed which undergo change with the change in the altitude. These two parameters are number 1, pressure, and the number 2 is due to gradual decrease in the concentration of component gases in the upward direction, a gradual decrease in the pressure of air has been observed. Dear students, we know that gases exert pressure. So when there is decrease in the concentration of the gases, definitely there will be decrease in the pressure of the air. One thing should be noted that there is gradual decrease in the pressure. However, when we talk about the temperature, unlike pressure, temperature changes in an irregular manner. That is a complex phenomenon. In order to understand change in temperature, we have to look into the matter deeply. Dear students, in the previous slide, we have talked about the two parameters, pressure and temperature, which change with the change in. Now we are going to discuss in detail that what changes will take place in temperature when we move upward. For the sake of convenience, with respect to temperature variation, atmosphere has been divided into 4 layers. These layers are number 1, troposphere, 2 is the stratosphere, third one is the mesosphere, and the fourth one is thermosphere. As far as troposphere is concerned, its height ranges from 0 to 12 km, means its height is 12 km from the surface of Earth in the upward direction. Here temperature has been noticed decreasing regularly from 17 to minus 58 degrees centigrade. Troposphere, there is decrease in temperature has been observed, and this temperature range is from 17 to minus 58 degrees centigrade. The second one is stratosphere. Its height ranges from 12 km to 50 km. Mean its height is 38 kilometers. After troposphere, the 35 kilometer height consists of stratosphere. Here the change in temperature has been noticed from minus 58 to plus 2 degrees centigrade. It means that in stratosphere there is increase in temperature has been observed. Third one is the mesosphere layer. Mesosphere layer, its height ranges from 50 km to 85 km, mean approximately 35 km height after stratosphere has been named as mesosphere. Here the temperature decreases from +2 to -93 degrees centigrade. The fourth layer is the thermosphere. Its height ranges from 85 to 120 kilometer. It means that after mesosphere, 35 kilometer height is called thermosphere. Here temperature increases from -93 degrees centigrade. Mean there is temperature higher than -93 degrees centigrade in the